tourist attraction in Oaxaca are the streets filled with shops, restaurants, and plenty of things to do. I was amazed at the lovely houses, the clean streets, and plenty of restaurants and shops. Now, what surprised me also was the amount of graffiti. Oaxaca has graffiti everywhere. For certain artists, it's a beautiful thing. For some people, it simply takes away from the natural beauty of Oaxaca. But I thought I would share this wall near the market that is filled with graffiti. I asked my driver from the Casa Bonita Hotel why there was so much graffiti in Oaxaca, and he said that it was a form of social protest from the people who are feeling the strains every day. Okay, so now I'm walking through this market where they sell all kind of stuff, and I tell you, I done got hot. I done kind of got hot out here. Now, one thing for sure is that when you can't speak Spanish and you're purchasing items, okay, especially with your credit card, you need to make sure that you're only being charged one time, okay, not twice, okay, because on the credit card machine, if you can't understand Spanish, then you need to use your translator or something to make sure that you're not being double charged. But for the most part, they've got some beautiful, beautiful pieces here. Look at this. That is absolutely gorgeous. That is a gorgeous piece. That's a nice piece right there. Again, these women, they stitch their pieces by hand, okay? And it's worth every penny that they charge for it because they're stitching it by hand. It's absolutely, look at these jean jackets. Look at these jean jackets. Absolutely gorgeous, okay? This one is, okay. ¿Cómo se llama?
Rosael.
This young lady down here, she does all her stitching, okay, by hand. Total Ahmad. Look at this piece right here. This is absolutely gorgeous. Yes, say hello.
Hola.
Hola. Yes, and this is her shop. Okay, all by hand, stitched by hand. Okay.
Tenemos guaraches con bordado a mano. Guaraches, diademas.
Oh. I ran into this young fella who does hand carving. This is a beautiful piece. I could not help but smile with this young fella who threw up the double peace signs as he worked his station. The market was filled with handmade arts, crafts, paintings, pottery, handmade stitchings, and then I stopped at this art gallery that had all of these wonderful pieces in this gallery. The young man there was nice enough to explain to me some of the artists that showcase in this gallery. Really nice pieces. So I'm all about art. No matter where I am, I'm all about the art. And I'm looking at some fabulous pieces in this art gallery. Okay? Wonderful pieces in this art gallery. Look at that piece right there. Okay. As you walk through the market, you can see these artisans with their handcrafted materials, jewelry, perfume, hats, wooden crafts, dresses, all kinds of things for you to purchase. And the prices were not that expensive. People from all over the world come to Oaxaca, and they get an opportunity to not only visit some of the historical sites, but to visit the market in Centro. I have to laugh at myself sometimes because unfortunately I'm not fluent in Spanish. I know a few words, and people shout out to you. They want to talk to you. They want to have a conversation. And if you don't understand Spanish, you'll miss whatever it is that they're trying to say. But look at these beautiful wooden pieces that I found in the market. Okay, so I stopped at this stand. Okay, and I met this muy bonito young lady. Okay, and I bought. You see these back here? I got me some of these little statues, but look at these up here. Okay, gorgeous. Can you hear the jazz playing in the background? I think I looked up on the jazz coffee, the jazz cafe. I think I'm gonna check out the jazz cafe. But yeah, she's got magnets and some textiles here, some beautiful, beautiful textiles. Yeah, I thought I'd stop in here and get something for the house back in Merida. Okay. It was a very busy day in the market. It was kind of hot out there too when I ran across these queens, and I had to take a picture in front of them. Just absolutely gorgeous. Okay, these are some kind of bugs. I think they are grasshoppers. I think they are the grasshoppers. Okay, and she got a whole lot of them. Okay, I think these are grasshoppers, different flavored grasshoppers. Okay. Tejate.
La bebida de los dioses es una bebida típica de aquí de Oaxaca.
And these?
Chapulín.
Chapulín? Unfortunately, I didn't understand a thing she said. As I ended my walking tour, I made my last stop at Galleria Amphibia, where I met the director, Adriana, who schooled me on the artwork from Burkina Faso that has influenced artists from around the world.